Hi everyone. Welcome to Money Rocker, where we teach about how to make money online. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make money flipping domain names. Domain flipping is the process of buying and selling domain names for a profit. With the right strategy, you can make a substantial amount of money flipping domain names. So, let's get started. Step 1. Research. The first step in domain flipping is to do your research. This involves finding out what type of domain names are in demand and what people are willing to pay for them. Look for keywords that are popular in your industry and see if there are any available domain names that include these keywords. Step 2. Acquisition. Once you have identified a domain name that you think has potential, the next step is to purchase it. You can buy a domain name through a registrar such as GoDaddy or Namecheap. Make sure you purchase the domain name for the lowest price possible. Step 3. Improve the domain. Now that you have purchased the domain name, it's time to improve it. This can involve adding content to the site, improving the website's design, or optimizing it for search engines. The goal is to make the site more attractive and valuable to potential buyers. Step 4. Marketing. The next step is to market the domain name to potential buyers. You can use websites like Flippa or GoDaddy auctions to sell your domain name. Make sure to write a detailed description of the domain name and its potential value, and include photos or videos if possible. Step 5. Selling. When you receive an offer for your domain name, it's important to negotiate a fair price. Make sure you are getting a good return on your investment, while also ensuring that the buyer is getting a good deal. Once a price has been agreed upon, transfer the domain name to the buyer and receive payment. And there you have it, the steps for making money flipping domain names. Keep in mind that like any investment, there is always risk involved. But with the right research, acquisition, and marketing strategy, you can make a substantial profit flipping domain names. Good luck!